Hey y'all, what it do? If y'all are interested in seeing how I achieve this look and information about this cute little blonde wig that I have on, stay tuned. This was a shoot that I did for my 24th birthday last year. Okay, y'all. So I just braided my hair down. It ain't perfect, and I put on a stocking cap. The wig that I'm putting on is a full wig. I'm putting on the Empire wig by Sensational Celebrity Series Mara in the color TIB27. So, and it's all human hair. So, of course, nothing's out. It's all covered, and so it doesn't really matter what color I put on under. Don't matter what kind of braids I just got straight to the back cornrows. Yeah. So we gonna see how this look. We gonna see how this looks on me. Yeah. I'm a little nervous. Anyway, feel like it's a little Etta James-ish. I'm gonna be 24 on April 24th. So my goal of this shoot is, well, let me tell you the backstory. So I didn't get to go to the beach like I wanted to for my birthday. I want to go to Miami, you know, live it up. I'm here in Birmingham. It didn't happen. So I was like, I was really sad about it. I was being a little brat about it. Hey, it happens. Like, sometimes you gotta be a little bratty. So I was being a little brat about it, and I was like, I can turn this into a positive, you know? So I was like, bring the beach to me. So my theme of the photo shoot is basically, the color scheme is gonna be purple and yellow, because, you know, Kobe, it's my Kobe year, so why not? So I was like, let me just bring the beach to me. So I got a swimsuit, a little cute swimsuit. I got a little kiddie pool. We're gonna fill it with water, and the pool's gonna be yellow. My swimsuit's gonna be purple. I'm gonna have on shades, my wig, you know, turn lemons into lemonade. Yeah. So we're gonna start off with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer. I have really oily skin, so anything that says like oil for oily skin, anything that says something about mattifying, I'm gonna try it. It kind of starts to like dry fairly quickly. And now I'm gonna put on my eyebrows, or fill in my eyebrows. I'm not about to put them on with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. You already know the Dip Brow Pomade in color Auburn. And y'all, my eyebrows need to be done. Okay, already know. Already know. So, don't even. Like, it gets harder every day to do these things till they grow. And it's not easy to do your eyebrows when they not already, you know, semi-arch. Like, we gotta get our eyebrows done on top of filling them in. It ain't just about filling them in. They gotta look good without stuff in it too. And it'll like, on here, it's like my eyebrows start and stop. So I take the brush, hold it vertically, horizontally, hold it horizontally, like the horizon, okay? And I just pull some of the product forward to make it like a gradient effect. And now I'm getting my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn GC983. And then, while you got the concealer out, go ahead and cover them dark A circles. Dang, my eyes so lazy. Oh, maybe I'll put. Oh, they gotta even out, but goodness gracious. And I kind of brush it in with the brush first before I go with the sponge. You don't even really need the beauty blender, to be honest. And now I'm gonna put on my foundation. And so y'all, I've been using this, you know, Fit Me Matte and Poreless by Maybelline in the color 340. But honestly, I feel like this is too orange for my skin. I have a yellow undertone, and I know it's summertime, or the summer's coming, so I might get a little darker. But I went ahead and went a little lighter to 355, or okay, 335. I can't understand numbers, I guess. But we're gonna see. So this is an experiment. I don't know why I'm experimenting on the day that I'm doing a photo shoot, but I am. So this a little lighter, and I feel like it has yellow undertones. And whenever I'm doing a photo shoot, y'all, I kind of do a little bit more makeup, because usually when I put on makeup, I don't even put on this much foundation. Oh yes, I like this so much better. So now my favorite part is the eyeshadow. So with the eyeshadow today, since my color scheme is purple and yellow, I'm doing purple and yellow, and then I'm doing I'm doing gold for my eyeliner. So we're gonna see how that looks. Kind of going backwards and forth motion. But we're gonna bring this color all the way up, close to the brow. Not too close, but close enough. I look crazy right now, I know. But right now, I'm really just trying to build up as high as I can get. Tap some of the product off. And go ahead and start blending out. So, blend out some more towards the brow line. Find a flatter full brush. We're gonna use that to do the lid of the eye with the purple. I'm gonna go with this purple. Alright, y'all. Really pigmented. It didn't even take that much, y'all. I didn't even have to dip it again. Like, this stuff is so pigmented. And I'm going up to the crease, but not quite. And then the same brush you use with the yellow, I'm gonna help blend that out. Highlight up there. And those are my my eyes. And now, time for I do my highlighting and contouring after I do my eyeshadow, simply because I use this to kind of clean up my eyeshadow if that's the look I'm going for. And if I'm not, I still do a second behind the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go on with my GC 986 Chestnut LA Pro Concealer, and the last one was Medium Beige GC 978. Like I said, I'm doing a photo shoot, so I want it to be, you know, more dramatic than usual. I do not put on all this makeup on a regular basis, okay? Contrary to belief. Anyway, I just love how they like. Okay, I'm done. Start doing that. And then I'm gonna go over my places that I use my lightest color, which under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin, with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Banana powder. That's what I used at first, but I feel like, what was wrong with banana powder? I feel like it made my skin too orange or yellow. Now I'm using my Master Precise by Maybelline. I mean, not Master Precise, Master Contour. That's the best thing I can do, kind of curve it a little. But I really just use this in there. Every once in a while, I might use the blush. But like I said, it's every once in a while. The earlier versions had like this little slide on there with this brush. So I really like this brush, and I love this color. So I kind of pinch it a little and go down the bridge of my nose like that. And I just put a lot on my nose because my nose real chunky. I don't want no light bouncing off right there. But I'm gonna go in with my Revlon PhotoReady Eye Art lid plus line plus lash. But I just use this to go in. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lash line with a black. I want my lash line to be dark. And I'm gonna go over it with this. So here we go. Take a deep breath because this could mess up everything. Okay, let's see. So y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And now I'm gonna put on my lashes. Oh god. Yeah, I don't know what kind of lashes these are. These are just some old cheap frilly lashes. I like to use Ariel brush on lash adhesive. I like adhesives like this. I kinda look down a little. And these lashes are messed up. dust the Mercier off. I go over my bottom lash line with some yellow. Master Chrome, Maybelline, of course. Oh. Yeah. Wow. I look blinky, baby. But I like that. For my lips, y'all, I don't really put a lot of stuff on my lips. I really like Vaseline. Don't judge me. And of course, you gotta top it off with the Urban Decay setting spray. For oily skin, of course. And it also kind of helps speed up the process of the Mercier. Shit, I'm blinded a little bit. Y'all, this shiny as fuck. But anyway, I think I got it the way I want it. Just the back. But I hope you guys like the wigs. Gotta grow on me, but I ain't got no choice, y'all. My hair braided down. But I like it. I can rock it. Thank y'all for tuning into my channel. This is my first YouTube video, so subscribe, share, tell your friends, tell your friends' friends. Tell your cousins, your aunties, your cousins that's not really your cousins, but y'all call each other cousins and brothers and sisters. Just tell everybody. Y'all. Alright, thank you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. And have a great time.